Asli garo sotunuma dişi kalsınlar, 생신 갔죠. 생신 갔더니 자만은 MBC 그만 그냥 나가는 미파이 그게 다 이렇게
Minister was replying to the motion yesterday.
Nisuing ko ba sa kanting ko sang sa Meghalaya News 24 channel ram chakswa anga trisas yasang Marian dalni ko borang. All India Trinamool Congress Legislative Party ni pado Dr. Mukul Sangma Sukrabar Salo West Khasi Hills Ajani Mawon Songo Mahari Thopmanio da Ororong Engpa Sorkari ni Niam ba Kamrangko Adokni Salo Salaram Ajao Namro Silverotna Kolpona Sokangha Dr. Sangma Jilmana uni agananiyo Congress ni gari de soengaha aro injin namjajok aro ni dilgpa antangan sokanggpa biapona sokama sokjawa uija uni gemensa gecham sak chigetam INC ni dilgparang AITC ni getal gario gadoaha jian anching Meghalaya adokni manderangko jilma apsan anchingni muksonganiona sokatken ene parakataha Bangladesh sakketel ongani bulsi sutponga kapani ko maniengon Mekhangchi Simario Dongenba Chelchakpa Sipoi Border Guarding Force Rang Name Melie Dongchina December Hajalgini Kogruksani Chigitam Tarikni Chisa Bajio Asong Gigani ni Sipoi Rang Meli Gerge Cultural Program ko ICP Tokyo Ongataha Ya Ongatanio nang Meta Bangladesh ni Jakatela Takirgepa Sipai Rangkopa Mongsonggepa Onge Okamataha
ICP Doki on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation. As part of celebration on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation, BSF has been organizing series of events jointly with Bangladesh on the Indo-Bangladesh border. In this connection, a joint culture program is being organized at ICP Doki under BSF Meghalaya Frontier on 30th December 2021, in which Mukti Yodhas, historians and eminent speakers from both the countries will participate. India's relation with Bangladesh dates back to Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, during which India provided extensive aid, training and shelter for the exiled government of Bangladesh and Bengali nationalist Mukti Bahini guerrilla force that was fighting the Pakistan army, and about 8 to 10 million refugees poured into India during 1971. At the outbreak of the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, the joint force including regular army of Bangladesh, Mukti Bahini and the Indian military liberated the then East Pakistan, leading to the establishment of Bangladesh. India's role in the independence of Bangladesh led to the development of strong bilateral relations between both the countries. The relations were further cemented with the signing of the India-Bangladesh Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Peace, a 25-year treaty that was signed on 19th March 1972, forging close bilateral relations between India and the newly established state of Bangladesh. The treaty was also known as the Indira Mujib Treaty, named after the signatories of the treaty. Border Security Force, though still in its infancy stage in 1971, got involved in the Bangladesh Liberation War as soon as the genocide by Pakistanis started in what was then East Pakistan. The BSF not only lived up to its mandated wartime role of being the first line of defense, but also proved its mettle in offensive operations. Before the outbreak of war, on December 3, 1971, BSF trained and coordinated operations of the Bengali guerrillas of the Mukti Bahini. Aggressive shelling of BSF Bengal's hilly border areas by the BSF 77 Battalion in April 1971 forced the Pakistanis to show flag and request for truce. Later in
Christmas ongna antigni dongkuingon pangbata dorangan Christmas carol ko rungna aba singing ha Christmas carol rangko runge ansa watte silongo pre Christmas rangko maning ha Dr. Mukul Sangma, Jengjal Wategri Pilo, Mijal Salni Bako, All India Trinamool Congress ni Tombi Mongao, Maina, INC Partio ni Ongkata, Uko Thalapte, Songi Kirkaniko Takanga. Adita sa Congress Party Tam Dilgaparang, Aruan Tangtang Namnake Donguparang, Sonibar Salo, Trinamool Partio Napaha. Jengjal ni Wategri Ketemo, Talbegapa Tombi Mongani Kung Ataha, Aro Trinamool Congress ni Dilgaba Dr. Mukul Sangma ni Makango Wamang, Antang ko unkang Trinamool Party na tangtake unna kuratakang ha. Ya Tombi Mongani Jamano Congress Party Karo Hills ni Saliram Jol Rangode Ponkam Sranga Gatan ha.
Executive Committee dak talking sekarang Kongres ni kam karam elakana Sakuba General Secretary Songna Nangode State level lo ya Kongres ni State ni President baksa CLP leader but Chief Minister Apsan sign kadema Cakrao saksakage, cakar siu saksakage. Wata trunga. Tau misa, ya, getal bimango kongres kurka zaman di 동자족. 동자족. 사인 가난한 동자족 하. Dr. Mukul 사인 가파는 남자족 CLP 리더로 오버 리더로 또 포지션 오버. 자와하 강족. 나오데 자와 가파 남말에면 장모대 삭보대 조리오대. यारा 장자 삽자 조리자 맷 백신하고 인볼 봉급하랑가 제 도로동에 아마 아독나 지가나 하얀 층 앞산 감 가난이 구봉도 랭아점 야 도란 불그리오데 야 도란 야 잡나로 감 가니 발 보자고 슬나갔다 가 착나갔다 망라가빠 비약폰 자우데 아 타루고다 닥고데 나 펑겐 은이 그만 잔치들나 나와하 지나 에멜레랑 아간르까니고 닥가하 Bangal leader among bagan rekan ikut takah. Ya parti ko namat foto. Parti ko tentang mancan ceng. Cengo kita dak puasa ko parti kita ki thari pun hai nimna. Delhi ci irura agan reka nagok rang na agan tak takay. Oni gaman mai dak po hajar gani khor ke thamde pangja jo. Election samba jo. Hajar gani ci chet to da shagan gaman ka सरकारी खर kaman thaigen Congress government sopa thaigen nova mai ni gaman manja. Match fixing. Icha Salaram Jolni leaderang Delhi ni AICC ni leaderang baksa agane Salaram chide candidate select kanade bisono bo ni agana. Anga be agree onga takrembo nimna. Daude candidate por rchagani mangi jaga parang Congress ni candidate. Saksara rchagani manja. Saksara rchagatang kolak cicet ma beta mana yara maya ya match fixing ungtama. Congress wara candidate tungzama. Amja no peltak takrike hamruk jawab mo. Oni dengan ya rcha sa sotbunga rcha gatam kolak citaki manggepa candidate rangko bosai gala. Mana keparang gopa saloni gala. Ini kemen ikon amat na kam kai ni na joton kajok. Aja gini cice to mistake oni ko learn kana nimna daude anching dak thajana ini nimna apsane daude haru batha batshanya daude mutam area rangode panuni bathani kongreso napkuja gepen party ni manderanga irang ko rum napat tokinge ijarang nukinge nasong ko man nukinge jerangan gepen dol sinar yangi BJP ni candidate ongi MLA cakat ke parang ko ha Kongresuna rem napat tuking iyan degi napat na handa ka leader ang ko ha smong imena anchini Meghalaya ni Pradesh Congress Committee office bearer dak tuking executive committee dak tuking sekarang Congress ni kam karam elakana Sakuba General Secretary Songna Nangode state level lo ya Congress ni state ni president baksa CLP leader
Meghalaya Community Aro Public Services Social Audit Act MPC and PSSA ko mangope nipultayani ko machotna gata Polo Tower Silongo ngataha. Ya meeting ko Supreme Court ni former Judge Justice Madan Lokur takdelang ha. Ya meeting ko chugumuk niyam ni gata pangchake takna nangani pa nangjani gemen Meghalaya Community Participation Aro Public Service Social Audit Act hajalgini chisni ni gata chanchirmani ko takanga ha. Un baksana ya meetingo MPC and PSSA Act ni social audits aro institutional architecture ko ba sokatna chanchir mangha. Ya meetingo dengtang lainin department je rangan MCPN PSSA ekni mongsong keparang arosongni manderang bakur angha. Talni koborang de rangsan ya koborang ni gemen nambate masina sken cimode Meghalaya News 24.com ni ko porena matgen. Sakantia sumsakke dongbo ongkatode mas rangko ganjungbo aro sorkar ni donso gemen yam rangko jaruk pabo sakantigo niswani na matela.